Welcome to the San Mateo County Arts Commission Local Arts Grants Applicant Tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with a Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to use our site to apply for a grant. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you need to register. You can register by going to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green Applicant button. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're ready to start your application, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant Application site to receive and manage grants. So find San Mateo County Arts Commission and click on Select Program next to their name. They have multiple programs or applications on our site. For this video's purposes, I'm going to apply to the Local Arts Grants Organizational Support, so I click on Start Draft App next to that name. I'm now in the draft application. There is on the left-hand side, there are different tabs. These are the different pages that you need to go through in order to submit your application. Currently, we are on the introduction page. Please make sure you scroll down and read all the information. At the bottom, there is a document that the grant maker shared with you. To access this document, just click on the document name. When you're ready, you can use the arrows on the right to move to the right, or you can jump ahead on the different tabs. Anytime you enter any information on a page and you use the arrows or the tabs to move ahead, your information will automatically be saved. But if you're going to be on one page for an extended period of time, entering a lot of information, I recommend clicking the Save button periodically. Any field with a red asterisk is required. If there's no red asterisk, it is optional. You cannot submit this application until you fill out all the required fields and upload all the required documents. So we're now on the cover sheet page. Then you can move to the narrative page. These have some text boxes. For example, this question, purpose of request, allows 2,500 characters. As you type, the character count goes down, letting you know how many characters you have left. Spaces are included as characters. You can also cut and paste your answers from other programs such as Microsoft Word. Some browsers allow you to extend these text boxes as well. After the narrative page is the documents page. This is where you need to upload documents. At the top is a list of all the documents, and at the bottom is where you upload them. For example, if I was going to upload my 501c3, I would click on Upload next to the name. A pop-up comes up, you browse your computer, click on the file, and click Save. It will then be attached to the application. The second to last page is the Preview Check Application page. I have a big red Not Ready for Submission. Clearly I did not fill out all the required fields or upload all the required documents, so I can't submit my application. Below the Not Ready for Submission is a table letting you know what is wrong. For example, on the cover sheet, the field Name of Applicant/Organization is empty. So I can go back to the cover sheet by clicking on the link here or going over here into the tab and correcting that. Once all the information is correct, I will have a green Ready for Submission here. I can click Submit Application. I will receive an application number on the screen. I will also receive an email confirmation letting me know my application has successfully been submitted. I can also find a copy of the application on my Grants tab when I go back to the dashboard. You do not have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. If you click Pause, you pause out of the application. You can log out in the upper right-hand corner, and when you log back in, you have a Resume Draft Application and an Exit Draft Application. If you click on Resume Draft Application, you go right back in where you left off. If you click Exit Draft Application, you don't lose any work that you've entered. You've just removed that you're working on the draft. If you did this by accident, just click on Start Draft App, select San Mateo County Arts Commission, and go back into your application. As I mentioned before, you can find all copies of your applications under your Grants tab. This is a tab on the top up here. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.